Hello, hello. This is Alicia from Quick and Delish. I just wanted to tell you I'm super excited for two reasons. Uh, One is that I've achieved 300 subscribers on my channel, so thank you, subscribers, for subscribing. And that's a big deal because I don't know, I enjoy creating content and I look forward to creating more. And it's kind of a big deal to be able to have a nice audience of 300 people watching videos sometimes. And so that's the first reason I'm excited and celebrating privately inside uh, with a glass of water. Cheers. And then the second reason I'm excited is check out in the Show More tab, and which was formerly called the description. So if you watch any of my videos and you hear me say the description, then that's the Show More. And there's usually like links and recipes in there, and just more information. So in all YouTube channels. So go to the Show More, and you'll find a Google form, a meal planning survey for you to fill out. And I'd love for your feedback about like what you do well, meal planning wise, what are your challenges, and what do you want to improve on, because these are the three things that we do in all areas of our life, right? And so we always do something well, and then we always have some sort of challenge or whatever, and then we always want to do better in some way, right? And so I want you to answer some questions. It's a short survey, and I'd love it if you shared it with others, because what I'm going to do with this information and feedback is create an awesome meal planning course, so virtual meal planning course. And I think it will be awesome. That's what I think. And so I'd love, the more feedback I get, the better the course will be, essentially. And so yeah, that would be fantastic. So that's my big ask of the day. And I'm going to create a fantastic course, and I look forward to sharing that information with you as it develops. It's sort of like as I've been writing this e-cookbook, the first Quick and Delish e-cookbook, and as I've been thinking of, and like, how can I actually like put this to good use in terms of like, as I'm creating this information, this content for the book, like creating a meal planning course is more action oriented, and I'm a tactile, hands-on kind of gal, visual as well, even though I have vision loss and legally blind. I'm always going to be more hands-on, do it myself. I got to do it to live it, to experience it, to understand it better. I can't just like read a book about it. Some people can do that, but I have to like live it, breathe it, touch it, smell it, and experience it firsthand. And so that's why a meal planning course I think would be ideal, because one, I would have teaching points, and then there would also be, each class would be opened up for Q&A. So I like that kind of dynamic in a class, and so that's how I'm going to set it up. I think webinars are harder for me to pay attention, because it's just like constant, just like information and content, and there's no like interaction. And so I like the balance of like some information and then some discussion or Q&A. So that's my approach. And the third thing I wanted to mention is one of my favorite books. The books that I read, I read by Audible. I did not read a hard copy book. I cannot read small print, or a book that's small print. I can read a small amount of print with a dome magnifier, but not a book. No, or I use my phone to magnify real quick stuff, but not a whole book. I use Audible. Like, I love Audible. Thank you, Audible. Hallelujah to Audible. Thank you. So the books that I read, basically the last couple of years since I've been listening to Audible, books by Audible, are like how to be a better person. So my favorite books in the world are are about some aspect of how to be a better person. And because that's what I'm working to achieve, is being a better person. I don't know about you, but that's what I'm working towards. Okay, so this is one of my favorite books on how to be a better person. So this is Everything is Figureoutable by Marie Forleo. She's looking pretty sassy right there, right? I can see that. So I highly recommend this book, Everything is Figureoutable by Marie Forleo. I'll put the link when I write up the I'll put the link in the show more. It's not a description, it's the show more. Okay, cool. That's it from me. Just a super quick video. Just wanted to talk to you from my living room in San Francisco. It's a nice overcast day, August 9th. A little chilly, overcast. You know, everybody else in the United States is like experiencing serious like hot weather, but not in San Francisco. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. Okay, that's it from me tonight. Let's have an awesome morning, evening, afternoon, and to be continued. I look forward to sharing more about the meal planning course with you and the e-cookbook. Feel free to check out, sign up for my email list, as I will send out more information about the meal planning course as well. So awesome. To be continued, and cheers. Cheers.